If you are thinking of getting a hair transplant because you are worried your hair is thinning or falling, pause for a moment because hair transplant done in a hurry can permanently damage not your hair, your scalp, appearance, and your confidence. Hi, I'm Dr. Swati Agarwal, a board certified dermatologist, and today I want to explain why hair transplant should never be an impulsive decision and what every patient must know before going under the knife. So, the biggest mistake people make when they treat their hair loss as purely a cosmetic problem, because hair fall can happen because of many reasons. It can be due to androgenetic alopecia, telogen effluvium, hormonal imbalance, nutritional deficiencies, autoimmune disorder, and can be due to any scalp disease. If you rush into transplant without knowing the cause, the transplant hair may survive, but your existing hairs may continue to fall. Secondly, hair loss is progressive, especially in younger patients. Your hair may look fine today, but more hair can fall in the next few years. If you transplant hair too early in your life, you may end up with visible bald areas behind the transplanted zone areas. Third, the hair taken for the transplant is usually from the back of the head. You have only a limited area of safer grafts. Once used, it will never grow back. Over-harvesting can lead to thinning at the back and the sides, visible scarring, and no hair will be left for the future need. That is why planning is more important. Now, fourth, many people decide quickly after seeing some ads and social media posts. Be careful if someone says you will have 100% guaranteed results, no medicine required after transplant. You will require only one session lifetime. Special discount for today. Remember, hair transplant is a medical treatment, not a beauty offer. Now, this is the hard truth, but a honest doctor should say it. You may not be a good candidate if you don't have an adequate donor area. Your hair loss is still progressive. You have some scalp medical conditions. You are unwilling to take medical follow-ups or treatments. You expect instant and unrealistic results, because a poorly planned transplant can cause lifelong complications like unnatural hairline designs, poor graft survival, hair growing in the wrong direction, visible scarring, possible infections and cysts, psychological stress. Believe me, many patients can delay or avoid hair transplant with proper treatment, such as there are some FDA approved medicines, PRP therapy, proper lifestyle modification, nutritional and scalp care. Stabilizing hair loss first will give you better transplant results, natural hairline. So before deciding any transplant, you should ask yourself and your doctor, am I a good candidate for hair transplant? Is my donor enough for transplant? Is my hair fall stable? Will my hair fall more in the future? Am I choosing the qualified doctor or a clinic for my transplant? Am I ready for transplant? So hair transplant can be life-changing only when done at the right time for the right patient with the right plan. If you found this video helpful, like and share it, because the right information can save someone from lifetime regret.